Hi and welcome to another video. Today we'll be creating this beautiful neon button design. You can say all the top, right, down and bottom animation, as well as the basically the color of the button changes as well. Now let's start by making our href, and inside our href we will create a span. Basically we will create 4 spans, and the reason is why: one for the animation of top border, one for the bottom button for the right bottom border, one for bottom border and one for left border. So I have created it. Now you can see my index.html. Let's style my button. Give it for the body. Let's start with the body and give it a margin of 0, padding of 0 as well. Give it a display of flex, and justify content should be center, align items should be center as well. Give it a min height of 100 VH. Background should be #031321. Now you can see that my button is basically in the center, and giving it a random font family. You can add whatever font family you want. For the anchor tag, give it a position of relative, display of inline block. After giving a display, let's give it a padding of 15 pixels and 30 pixels. Color should be 2196 F3, bluish color. Now you can see I am getting my button. Now letter spacing between the neon button should be, I want letter spacing should be 4 pixels, and text transform should be uppercase. Neon button should be uppercase. Text decoration should be none. I don't like the underline. Giving it a font size of 24 pixels. Overflow should be hidden. Now give it a transition of 0.2 second. Okay, now if we hover over the button, color should change to #255784, and the background should be 2196 F3, as well as button shadow, adding a shadow to the button 0010 pixel 2196 F3, doing the same 40 pixels, adding a color. Now 80 pixels, adding a color, same color basically. Again, now you can see I am getting my last animation, but I want to basically give custom animation to all the borders, and I will do it in a while. Give it a transition of delay of 1 second. So when you hover over it, it does not suddenly changes, but changes the color after 1 second. Now let's comment it. The reason I am commenting it, let's start with the actual border animations. For the span, position, absolute display block, a span, nth child. For the child 1, top should be 0, left should be -100%, width should be 100%, height should be 2 pixels, and background should be linear gradient 90 degrees, transparent, color it should be 0, left should be 0. Now you can see that the top animation, but it's not moving. So what we will basically do is when we hover over the button, then it should occur. Let's remove it, remove the top, remove the minus sign, give it a transition of 1 second. Now you will be able to see that animation. Now let's copy it, paste it. Basically there were 4 spans. Give it 3, 3. Now change the values from top to bottom. Left should be right. Changing left to right. Now changing the angle to 270 degrees. Now you can see top and bottom animation. Now we are left with the right and left animation, but also added animation delay of 0.5 seconds. So when the first animation occurs, then the second animation starts. Now copy it again for the paste and child for span number 2. Change the bottom to top. Top should be -100%. Right should be 0, width should be 2 pixels, height should be 100 pixels. Changing the angle to 180. Basically there are 4 angles, 0, 90, 180, 270, 0.25. Now you can see I am getting animation on basically 3 animations I am getting it right now. Now we are left with the left animation. We are getting our 3 animations. Let's copy it and paste it again, and let's start with our 4th or left side of animation. Now change the values left to right, right to left, sorry. Top should be bottom, top should be bottom, and animation delay should be 0.75 second, and angle should be 360. Now you can see I am getting all of my 4 animations. Now let's uncomment my code, and when I cursor move over it, hover over it, you can see the create animation. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.